Hi, I'm Robert from Foundation, and I'm here today at the Methodist Church in Ash. This fascinating Victorian church has been carefully converted to create over 3,000 square foot of spectacular living accommodation. On the ground floor, you've got this huge open plan living space, brimming with period features, and overlooked by a vast galleried landing on the first floor. What an incredible space. Upstairs, you've got 2 double bedrooms, and there's a 3rd bedroom downstairs, all of which have got lovely en-suites. Plus, you've also got some great open plan living areas upstairs. So if you're looking for an utterly unique period home in the heart of one of Kent's most loveliest villages, then the Methodist Church is for you. Contact Foundation today to arrange your viewing.